everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching. In our last video, we did the review of this wonderful Barbie art outfit, and I did say that I was going to do some more art, and I was ready. I have flowers and a basket. I wanted to do part 2 of the seeds. I mean, these are the hot pepper seeds, but we also made the flower seeds. Oh my goodness. So I was going to start working on the garden and have that be our very first art project in a while, but I need to deviate from that plan. Do you know why? I went to McDonald's, and McDonald's they're on the ball. It's nothing like our cute little mini McDonald's or little McDonald's that we can use for our Barbies. This we cannot use for Barbie, but I am so excited. It's tiny, tan, and do you know who they are? BTS. So I figure if it's okay, we do these next time, or we push them off to the side, and that means we're going to say, hold on, Barbie, not quite yet, because I only have 2. There are a lot. They're my favorite K-pop group. It is Tiny Tan, and they're the BTS. Like, I just threw them out. Okay, so they're so cute. We have RM and Jin and Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. And the boxes, they're so cute. Okay, the boxes, I don't know, can you tell the difference? This one's a dark purple, and this one is a light purple. And I only have 2. So I know we're not going to get like the entire collection, but BTS is back. Now, I don't know what you could use these for other than like they're just some really cool collectibles. But they are back, and they are little figurines, so they are going to be way too big for Barbie. They're probably going to be too big for your 18-inch dolls. This is more just this is fun. Tell me, do you know any of their songs? They were so big up until they kind of disbanded to join the Korean military, but they are back. One of their favorites is Smooth Like Butter. I love it. But it is interesting to figure out, why are the boxes different? Is it different runs, different production? Like, can you see the difference in the purple? Even here, right? Side by side, you can see that this one's darker and this one's not. Anyway, okay, let's open them up. So we know there are a lot to collect, and I only have 2 because I've only been to McDonald's twice, and I don't plan on going back. So hopefully we get some good ones. They're all good ones. My favorite are Jimin. I like Jimin. And I like them all. Jimin, J-Hope. You know what? Honestly, at this point, it doesn't matter. This band was so big, they even had Barbie dolls. All right, let's get right into it. And then next week, we'll go back and we'll do some Barbie, okay? We'll do a Barbie craft. Ooh, you know what? I have some really good American Girl doll stuff that we haven't done in a while. Maybe we'll do that. Okay, I don't know. We'll figure that out afterwards. Let's get these open. And I love that it's all in cardboard, like 0 garbage. Everything is recyclable. Ready? Oh, look how easy this is to open, like McDonald's. You're killing it with making sure that I can recycle everything. Right on his head. Okay, who did we get? There's more in the box. Okay. Well, that kind of defeats it. I was going to line him up. All right, so we got Jin. Let's look at him. Does he stand on his own? He stands on his own. Okay, so you get the Jin action figure. Is that an action figure? Collectible? I mean, he has the hole in his head. So cute. His head moves. Okay, he can go all the way around. I did not know that. Oh, look at how cute this is. You can't use this for any of your dolls, but these are dolls. So, put them on your collection. I'm going to put mine out on display. And what else do we get? We get it's a fact card about him. Okay, so there is the front of the card. That is super cute. And on the back, Jin's charming and cool on stage, but off stage, he's the chatty life of the party, and he's the oldest. As the oldest, he does his best to take care of all the boys. He is 10 centimeters high. I mean, this case, yes. Hair is brown, eyes are brown. He loves jokes, he's relaxed, he's positive, and his strengths are an unattainable smile and looks out for others. Undeniable smile and looks out for others. There's no smile. Why didn't they put a smile? I love that they put a collector card. I love it. Look at that. And it even has the little M for the McDonald's. Oh my goodness. Way to go, McDonald's. Honestly, way to go. And these are so made for McDonald's Canada. Do you know what? Are these outside of Canada? Because these ones are made for McDonald's Canada. Are they in the States? Are they in Australia? UK? You all have to let me know. Do you have these? Does this one say made for? This one also says made for McDonald's Canada. This one has a number 2. Oh, this one has a number 2. Do you see that right there? This one has a number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this should be V. This one should be V because 1, 2, he's number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that might be the code. We may have just cracked the code, and it's a pretty basic code. So let's not get too excited, but let's get it open. Okay. Is it V? Is it V? Is it V? Is it V? Let's go. It's cardboard and I'm still struggling. Can you believe that? It is cardboard and I am still struggling. Brown. They look the same from the top. Oh no. The hair is different. I can see the card and I think the code's right. Okay. Let's lay Jin down. And it is V. It is V. So that means the code on the box, the number 2 or the number 6 is actually referring to the order on the box. Now, enough hiding it. You ready to see it? These are so cute. These are so cute. Here is V. And if you know anything about BTS, the fact that he is wearing a suit, that is his personality. Look at them. Oh my gosh. The detail is just so cute. And his head does not turn all the way around. So I think my Jin is broken because V turns head to head, like side to side. And this, his goes all the way around. Oh, it's so cute. I love them. Oh, I guess this one does too if you force it. So we're not going to force it because I like them like that. Let's read the V facts. Look. Oh my goodness. Ready? V is the precious baby bear, a free spirit with a unique outlook on life. He loves to joke around, but V gets serious when it comes to dancing and singing. Again, the doll is, or the, collectible action figure, 10 centimeters tall with dark brown and brown eyes. His personality is playful, imaginative, cuddly teddy bear, and his strengths are a talent generator and a strong performer. Oh, would you look at that? Because he is a teddy bear and because he is positive. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay. I don't have any plans to go back to McDonald's, but if I did, I would absolutely get some more Happy Meals to get these. This is I love this. I am so happy with McDonald's. Normally, unless it is like McDonald's, little McDonald's where I can use it for dolls, I'm really not all that interested in the Happy Meal toys. Remember they did the Squishmallows? Those were great. I could use them for dolls. The little McDonald's, I really love this cash register or the bags of food. Those you can use for dolls. I really like that. These have no use other than just to collect dust, but I love them. I mean, I'm going to put them with their little collector cards, put them up on display. I don't know. I love them. I absolutely love them. These are a win for me. You let me know in the comments. Are these available outside of Canada, or is this a Canada exclusive Happy Meal toy? And if you have a picture of all of them, send me the picture. Make sure you tag me on Instagram. I'm at my Dolly Day. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you all next time. Thank you.